Hey there geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to move the centered taskbar. This right here, the new feature in Windows 11. We're going to move it back to the left. Now, before we get started, just want to warn you, there's some registry files out there. Normally we would use those, but one of them actually restores the way Windows 10 worked, and it broke the start. So when you clicked it, nothing happened. And one of the other ones doesn't work at all anymore, so please avoid the registry files, at least as far as I know. The other reason is this is so easy to do that to use registry files is kind of pointless. Let me show you how easy this is. You can do it live. So let's right click anywhere in a blank area of the taskbar, so like between here or anywhere in here. Just right click and look for taskbar settings. Scroll on down and you're looking for taskbar behaviors right here. You want to expand that. Scroll down a little bit. As you can see, there's a couple of options here that you can do on different things, but here it is right here. It's on the center. It's at the left. It's at the center. It's at the left. Pretty easy to do. And as I mentioned, you really don't want to mess around with trying to restore it back to Windows 10 unless you use, say, OpenShell, which is a much better way to do it. So again, just back and forth, and you can kind of feel it out, see how you like it. And it's so easy to do. You could just minimize this. Go about your day. I did it backwards. Move it to the left. And go about your day and just use it. Leave that sitting there. And if you realize you kind of got used to that center, then you can change it back to the center. It should be mentioned that the taskbar is pretty important, as is the start menu. So it's embedded in so many different things with your start menu, your apps, recommended, power, that Microsoft prefers you get used to using it this way because it's kind of tied into everything. So I recommend you give it a little bit of time and see if you can get used to it. I noticed as soon as I put Windows 11 on my daily driver, which this is right here, I just have it. I'm to the left, I'm to the left, even though I've been running Windows 11 in my virtual machine for months now. But there you have it. It's easy enough to do. But otherwise, I wouldn't change that taskbar too much with registry files, just to give you a heads up. And there you have it, quick and easy. How to move your center taskbar back to the left. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.